Hello everyone, today's topic is all about images formed by convex and concave lenses. Again, images formed by convex and concave lenses. Before we start with our lesson, let me introduce to you our vocabulary words for today. Can everybody say images? Again, images. Let's spell images. I-M-A-G-E-S. Images. Okay, just like this one. The one that you see in your phone when you take a photo or when you watch television. That refers to the images. Another word is lens. Can everybody say lens? Let us spell lens. L-E-N-S. Lens. So this is an example of a lens. Okay, it's going to burn a paper. Another word to learn is convex or convex lens. Everybody say convex lens. Let us spell convex lens. C-O-N-V-E-X. Convex lens. L-E-N-S. Concave lens. Again, concave lens. Let us spell concave lens. C-O-N-C-A-V-E-L-E-N-S. Concave lens. Another word is rays. Can everybody say rays? Let's spell rays. R-A-Y-S. Rays. Like this one. Parallel rays. Say it again. Parallel rays. Let's spell parallel. P-A-R-A-L-L-E-L. Parallel rays. R-A-Y-S. Parallel rays. Next, focal point. Focal point. F-O-C-A-L. Focal. P-O-I-N-T. Point. Focal point. So this one is the focal point. So what are lenses? A lens is an object which is made of transparent material such as glass or clear plastic. It has two faces, of which at least one is curved. Can you read it again by yourself? Okay, so when we say transparent, can everybody say transparent? Like this one. So this lens is transparent, meaning we can see through it. Then, it is also made of glass or sunglasses. If you're wearing sunglasses right now, then that is an example of a lens. In also clear plastic. So we have this lens having these two faces. One is curved or converged or diverged. So I will explain more about that one later. There are two types of commonly used lenses. What are these two types of commonly used lenses? So we have convex lens. Can everybody say convex lens? The other one is concave lens. Concave lens. So what's the difference of the two? So if you're going to look at the picture, so this is an example of a concave lens. So there is a curve in between. So like this. And then convex lens is like it's like this one. Convex lens. So what do you mean by parallel rays through lenses? Again, parallel rays through lenses. So when we say parallel, it refers to a straight line, okay, continuous straight line. So this parallel rays passes through the convex lens. So this is an example of a convex lens. A parallel rays passes through the convex lens. Question: what happens when parallel rays of light pass through a convex lens? So when a parallel rays of light pass through a convex lens, the rays of light are converged and meet at a point. This point where parallel rays of light meet is called a focal point with a symbol of capital letter F. So this is a parallel rays, and the parallel rays pass through the convex lens. So this is the convex lens. And then when parallel rays of light meet, it is called a focal point. So this is what we call a focus or a focal point with a symbol of letter F. Another question: what happens when parallel rays of light pass through a concave lens? So in the previous slide, the question is, what will happen to the parallel rays when it passes through a convex lens? But this time, what will happen if it passes through a concave lens? Do you have any idea? So we have this what we call a parallel rays using a concave lens. So when a parallel rays of light pass through a concave lens, the rays of light are diverged from the focal point. Okay, so this is the focal point. Then when the parallel rays of light enter or pass through the focal point, okay, so the light rays are going to separate from each other and it will never meet again. Okay, so this is what we call a parallel rays that passes through a concave lens. So I would like you to fill in the blank. Just answer if it's converge or diverge. So when a parallel rays of light pass through a convex lens, the rays of light are blank and meet at the point. So what is the answer? Is it converge or diverge? Okay, look at this. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Okay, time's up. So the answer is converged. So when a parallel rays of light pass through a convex lens, the light rays are going to converge and meet at a point. Next question. What will happen when the parallel rays of light through a concave lens, the rays of light are blank from the focal point? So is it parallel, converge, or diverge? 5 seconds. So the correct answer is diverge. Who got a correct answer? I hope that you got at least one correct answer out of 2 questions. So at this time, let us discuss the optical terms and symbols. Okay, so in this column, we have optical term, then symbol, and the meaning of each word. So we have this what we call principal axis. So there's no, this is the symbol, no symbol at all. It is the straight line that passes through the focal point and the optical center. Okay, optical center, the symbol is letter O, capital letter O. This is the center of the lens. Focal point with a capital letter F, the point on the principal axis where the rays are traveling parallel to the principal axis. Focal length, this is letter F, short or small letter F. It is the distance between the focal point and the optical center. Next, object distance with the symbol of letter U. It is the distance between the object and the optical center. And the last one is we have the image distance with the symbol of letter V. It is the distance between the image and the optical center. Okay, so this time let us discuss the optical terms and symbols. Okay, so we have the optical terms here, the side. These are the symbols and the meaning of each word. So when we say principal axis, it is the straight line that passes through the focal point and the optical center. So this is the principal axis. Okay, straight line that passes through the focal point. Okay, so this one passes through the focal point. Okay, so this is the principal axis. Next, another word is optical center. Can everybody say optical center? So what is the symbol? Letter O. Okay, this is the center of the lens. Okay, so this is our lens, and the center of the lens is called the optical center with a symbol of capital letter O. Next, focal point. Everybody say focal point. Kindly read. Okay, focal point is the point on the principal axis where the rays traveling parallel to the principal axis. So with a symbol of letter F, capital letter F. So where is the focal point here? So this one. This is the focal point. Sorry, this is the focal point. Okay, with a capital letter F symbol. So the point on the principal axis, okay, this is the principal axis line where the rays traveling parallel to the principal axis. So this one. Next, focal length with a small letter F symbol. It is the distance between the focal point and the optical center. So the distance between what? Between the optical center and the focal point. So this is what we call the focal length with a symbol of small letter F. Next, object distance, letter U, the distance between the object and the optical center. And the image distance with a symbol of letter V, small letter V, it is the distance between the image and the optical center. Okay, so it's quiz time. So I would like you to answer the following questions and just write the answers in the comment section. So don't forget to write your name first before you answer. So let's do this. Kindly answer the following questions. Number 1. It is the straight line that passes through the focal point and the optical center. Number 2. It is the distance between the object and the optical center. Number 3. It is the distance between the image and the optical center. Number 4. It is the point on the principal axis where the rays traveling parallel to the principal axis. And the last number is number 5. It is the distance between the focal point and the optical center. So kindly write the exact word of your answer, not the symbol, but the word. Okay, as what I have said a while ago, please write your name and your answer in the comment section because that will serve as your attendance for this week. That's all for today. Thank you so much and have a nice day.